This is Chris Maynor coming to you from the campus of Union University in Jackson, Tennessee. In this video, I want us to look at a problem that illustrates a slightly different application of the profit maximization rule. Usually when we make use of the profit maximization rule, it's in relation to production. That is, we're trying to determine the optimal level of output. What is the profit maximizing number of widgets to produce? We're looking for the optimal level of output. But the profit maximization rule is not limited to production decisions. As we're going to see here, it can be used to make hiring decisions. In this problem, we're told that 21st Century Electronics has discovered a theft problem in its warehouse, and it's decided to hire security guards. The firm wants to hire the optimal number of security guards, and the following table shows how the number of security guards affects the number of radios stolen per week. So, as we see in the table, as the firm hires more security guards, the number of radios stolen decreases. 0 security guards, 50 stolen radios. We hire the first security guard and the number of stolen radios falls to 30 and so forth. So the more security guards, the fewer stolen radios. So part A, there's 2 parts to this question. If each security guard is paid $200 a week and the cost of a stolen radio is $25, how many security guards should the firm hire? So first we need to understand that the decision variable in this problem is the number of security guards. We're trying to determine the optimal number of security guards to hire. This is not a production decision. This is a hiring decision. So our marginal analysis needs to be in terms of security guards. So what do? Well, again, we want to set up a marginal benefit versus a marginal cost analysis. Let's start with marginal cost. I think that will be the easiest to deal with. What is marginal cost? What is the marginal cost of a security guard? Well, we're told that each security guard is paid $200. So the marginal cost of a security guard is $200. Now don't confuse marginal and total. If we hire 3 security guards, the total cost would be 3 times $200, $600. But each additional security guard adds $200 in terms of cost. So the marginal cost is a constant $200. So that leaves marginal benefit. What is the marginal benefit of a security guard? Well, the benefit of hiring a security guard comes in terms of fewer stolen radios. The first security guard reduces the number of stolen radios from 50 to 30. A savings of 20 radios, 20 fewer stolen radios. Well, in dollar terms, what does that mean to the firm? Well, the cost of a stolen radio is $25. 20 fewer stolen radios at $25 gives us a marginal benefit of $500 pardon me, for the first security guard. You see that? The marginal benefit is in terms of fewer stolen radios times the value of each radio. To save time, I went ahead and computed the marginal benefit for each security guard. You'll see that the marginal benefit falls 500, 250, 150, 150, 50. That's because as we hire more and more security guards, maybe they get in each other's way. maybe they shirk on the job. Maybe they're spending too much time talking to one another and not guarding radios as they should. So the number of stolen radios falls, but at a decreasing rate. And so the question is, what is the optimal number of security guards to hire? Well, remember our rule, the profit maximization rule. We're going to choose the highest level of activity, in this case the number of security guards, choose the highest number of security guards at which the marginal benefit is greater than or equal to marginal cost. Just a reminder, marginal cost is $200. So for the first security guard, marginal benefit is greater than marginal cost. For the second security guard, marginal benefit, again, greater than the $200 marginal cost. But for the third security guard, we run into a problem. Marginal benefit is less than marginal cost. And so how many security guards should the firm hire? What is the highest number of security guards at which marginal benefit is greater than or equal to marginal cost? Well, that is for 2 security guards. So the optimal, the best choice in this case, the profit maximizing choice, if you will, is to choose 2 security guards. One more question. If the cost of a stolen radio is $25, and that's the same, that has not changed, what is the most the firm would be willing to pay to hire the first security guard? What's the most that the firm would be willing to pay security guard number 1? Well, that's going to depend on his or her marginal benefit. The first security guard is worth $500 to the firm. So what would they be willing to pay? As much as $500. What's the most they would be willing to pay? $500. Because at that point, marginal benefit and marginal cost would be equal. So I hope in this problem you've seen that the profit maximization rule is not limited to production decisions, but actually it can be applied to a wide range of business decisions, including the hiring decision.